What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you how to draw Sunky. So I'm gonna be honest with you, I had no idea who this character was until I started getting a bunch of these requests. So he's a parody of Sonic the Hedgehog that has super strength, super speed, and quite honestly looks super weird. But nevertheless looks like a fun character to draw. So let's start this drawing over on the right side of the page with the nose. So I'm gonna start right here. Just gonna bend this across, round this out, and then come back down towards that inside point. Let's add a small highlight oval on the top of the nose, and we'll fill the bottom of the nose in black. Now with the nose in place, let's draw the top of the muzzle. We're going to start from the top of the nose, we're going to bend this up, and then come down. Let's bend this back out towards the cheek. It's going to wrap the cheek around, come in, and then back out. Let's draw a straight angle line going across the mouth. Now from here, we're going to step down from the cheek, bend the chin, coming around, and pull that up underneath the nose. Now just up above the cheek, we're going to draw an oval for the eye, and we'll fill that in black. Now I'm going to go back and continue this curve up above the nose. I'm going to go up. Just going to round out the head and then pull that down towards the left side. Let's bend this back in to create that first spike. Just going to pull that in towards the side of the head. Let's add the second spike. We'll go out and then down. Pull that in towards the cheek. Now just up above the nose, we're going to draw that same sized oval for the right eye. Then again, we'll just fill that in black. Now over on the left side, we're going to draw an ear. From this point, let's step in, go up towards the top of the ear, angle that back down and in. Let's go back to the left side, just going to flatten off the bottom of the ear, and just pull that up towards that top point. Let's tuck the right ear in behind the head. Start with a straight line going up, and angle this back down in behind. Now just underneath the head, we're going to draw an oval for that patch in the center of the body. Let's start underneath the chin, draw that oval coming down, and then back up towards the top. Now I'm going to leave a gap and draw on the left arm. Let's start right here underneath the cheek. We'll start with a point, angle this across towards the wrist, go back to the inside, angle this down and out, and then close off the end with a straight line. Now from the top of the arm, we're going to draw the cuff. We're going to go up, bend that down, add another curve, going up and then down. Let's go to the bottom of the wrist, come down and then out. I just want to close off the end with a curve. Let's go back to the top of the cuff. We're going to angle the thumb, going up in an angle toward the left, round this out, and then pull that back in, add a curve for the palm. Now I'm going to add 3 fingers along the outside. Let's start from the bottom of the thumb, going out, round out the finger, and pull that back in. Let's add the second finger, coming down, around, and then up. Now the third finger, I'm going to come down, and pull that up towards the palm. Just close off the bottom with a curve. Now with this left arm in place, we can go back and finish off the last spike. Let's start up here, and it's out and down in behind the arm. Continue down towards the bottom. I just want to pull this back up underneath the arm and underneath the cheek. So just bend that up and continue along the top. Let's go underneath the arm. We're going to curve the back. Come in, round this out, and then go out towards the end of the tail. Just bend that back in towards the leg. Now from the bottom of the tail, let's angle the leg. Coming down, just going to flatten off the bottom. I just want to taper this so it gets a little bit narrower as you go up towards the top of the leg. From the top of the leg, we're just going to round out the bottom of the body and just pull that up towards the right. Let's draw in the right leg. We're going to step over, angle this down and out, flatten off the leg, and just taper that back in. Now let's go back to the left side. From the inside of the leg, it's going to curve the heel, coming around and down. It's going to bend the bottom of the foot, going all the way around. Let's just tuck that up underneath the pinky. Let's go to the outside of the ankle, bend the foot, going out, and then down in behind the finger. Now from the heel, we draw a curve going in between these two lines. We go up, and then bend that out. Let's add that thick stripe along the top of the foot. Bend this in and down, step out, and draw that again. Let's draw that same foot flipped over on the right. We'll start from the ankle, then the heel, coming down and out. It's going to round up the bottom of the foot, and just pull that up towards the top. Let's bend the top of the foot coming in towards the outside of the ankle. Now I'm going to separate the bottom of the foot, starting from the tip, coming in, and then down. Let's add that stripe, starting from the ankle, come down towards the bottom, step out, and draw that again. Now you want to follow the same angle of the left arm over on the right. So from the side of the body, going up and out, flatten off the end, and I'm just going to taper that back in towards the side of the body. Let's go up to the top of the wrist, draw the cuff. We're going to go up and down, draw another curve, going up and down. Let's go to the bottom of the wrist, bend this down and out, close off the end with a curve. Now you want to draw that same hand flipped over on the right. Let's start from the top of the cuff, angle the thumb going up, round up the thumb, and pull that back in, and add the edge of the palm. Now from the bottom of the thumb, let's draw the first finger, going out, rounding this out, and pulling that back in. Let's angle the second finger, coming down, around, and in. And we'll tuck the third finger in behind the foot, down and in, continue along the top. Let's close off the bottom of the palm with a curve, and then we're going to finish off by signing art and adding a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. There's our cartoon illustration of Sunky. Now I'll have to admit that this character is pretty cute, and if you agree with me, then smash that like button and make sure you subscribe. We have more lessons coming in every single day. If you want to learn how to draw more Sonic characters, then you might want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.